Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Lil Whip from Fortnite and also my version of the baby whip. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes first, and we're going to draw in, it's almost just like two boomerang shapes. It's kind of like a little arc going up, let's come back down. And then once you have that, we're going to give it some thickness. So just come in on the sides. And then once you have that, just kind of draw the same curve again. Just come in and then just go all the way around. Alright, so basically, yeah, two boomerangs. And then for his mouth, we're going to come down right underneath his eye. It's going to be pretty wide. And then pretty much a big bowl shape on the end. And then for his teeth, we'll keep it simple. We're just going to draw one line across. And then we'll add in two lines in the middle. So we got three teeth. And then for his tongue inside, just one little curve. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the rest of his face. So just come up from the eye right at the top here. Just come up. And then we're going to draw one curve just coming down across his face. And the same thing here. Just go from the top of the eye. Just go up. Just curve it, come around to the sides. And now we'll finish up the shape of the face. So we're going to come down, just kind of continue down. Just curve it right around here. Once you go past the mouth, just kind of curve it in. And then we'll just close it off, one straight line. Okay, and then now for the top here, we're going to draw one little check mark here. So we're going to come in toward this eye and go back up. So it's a little lopsided, and then once we have this, now we can draw in his eyebrow. So right above the eye, we're going to draw one curve coming down like this first. And then we're just going to give it some thickness. Just come down the side and just connect those. And then same thing here. Just a little bar. Okay, so now we can finish up the funny looking strand of hair on the top. So from here, we're just going to go up. And then from this corner, we're going to curve to this side. And then once you have those two curves, from the middle, we're going to draw another curve going to the middle of this. Alright, so now let's finish it up with the little headphones on the sides. This one's easy. We're just going to come out and draw pretty much like a little rectangle. And after that, we're going to draw in the headband, and we're just going to draw just one line curving all the way around. Just follow this curve on the inside. Alright, so that's pretty much the head. It's definitely a very unique looking character. So now let's draw in his body, and we're going to start with his vest first. So just come out slightly. Come straight down. And then from the inside here, we're going to draw one curve coming down. Same thing here. Curve. Just close it off with a straight line. So that's going to be his vest, and for the rest of the body here, we're going to come right around here to slant in. Close it off. And now let's add in some details, and for his vest, just gonna draw, he's got some strings here, just two circles, and then one little string on the bottom. Let's go all the way down. And then in the middle here, it's got that little whip logo. So just draw like an egg shape, kind of a little bit slanted, and leave a little bit of space. And then from this corner here, just draw like a little angle. Alright, and then we'll add in the text and stuff later. Let's go on and draw in his arms first. So for his arms, here's his shoulder. And this is going to be part of his shirt. From this corner here, let's go into the body. And then for the bicep here, we're just going to draw in bracket. So here's the armpit, and it's hidden by the vest here. So we're just going to start here. Just going to come in. And then for his lower arm, we're going to flare it out slightly. curve in, and this one's almost straight down. Close it off. And then I'm gonna add one section for the glove. And then for his fist, this little hook. Back of the fist, just turn it, close it. And you got those open finger gloves, so we're gonna add one little line there, and then right here, just adding one line across. Alright, so now let's draw on the other side. So it's pretty much the same. Come down the sleeve and then slant into the body. Bracket. Here's the armpit in here. The lower arm, flare out. Curve, and this one's almost straight down. Close it, so right around here. One section for the wrist, the glove, and here's the fingers again, little hook. Back of the fist. Close it, and then the two little lines here. Alright, so now let's go down to his legs. So in the middle, come down in the middle, I'm going to draw one line across. And then I'm going to draw one more. And then now for his thighs, we're going to come up here. Slant down and just kind of come in slightly. Go back here. Come down. Just pinch it, and then for his knee, I'm just going to draw like a little bracket. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So same thing, use the other side for reference. Come down. Bracket. Okay, and then lower leg is going to be very simple. I'm going to flare out. And then pinch it in. He's wearing tight pants. Close it off, and then we're going to add just one section. And then on the bottom here, we're just going to draw a curve coming down, and this one's going to go out a little bit more. Close it off, and let's just add one section for the sole. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Gonna flare out. Turn, and this one's almost straight down. Close it off, and same thing here, one section. Just add one rectangle. Curve out a little bit more. Close it, and then the sole. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and we can add in the little details here, those little sprinkle. So these are easy. You just draw little rectangles here and there. Doesn't have to be exactly the same placement. Oh, and right here, I almost forgot, we should add in one little line. This is gonna be part of the ice cream cone. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and let's just add in the little text. Apostrophe and then WH. And then for the little details on the ice cream cone, I'm just gonna switch to my smaller Sharpie so I don't kind of make it a little bit too messy. So we're gonna start here in the middle, right across his chest. I'm gonna draw one line across. And then now I'm gonna draw from the middle, just two slants going out. And then from the middle here, I'm just gonna come down, so it's just gonna crisscross. And then on the bottom here, I'm just gonna continue with this line going out behind the text, and this line's gonna go this way. And then from here, I'm just gonna draw one line across, and then one more right here. And then on the shoulder, I'm just gonna pretty much just draw like a little X. So it doesn't have to be like this, as long as you have some kind of lines around, that should be fine. Alright, so that's my original version, and here's a simplified version, which I'm just gonna call it the Baby Whip. And that is it for this Little Whip and my version of the Baby Whip in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.